Ni hao, everybody. We're here at Legend Tasty House, originally from Chinatown. We're about to get some rolled ice cream. Let's get it. I got number 9, I believe it's called Vanilla Princess. Got some vanilla rolled ice cream, vanilla wafers. Cannot forget about the Teddy Grahams. Never had this before, let's give it a shot. Interesting. Alright, here we go. That's pretty good. I'm gonna go with 8-2. 8-2. What's going on, everybody? I believe it's called the Good Friend. It's rolled ice cream, whipped cream, hot fudge, chocolate chips, chocolate chip cookie. Let's give it a shot. It's a little different. It's rolled ice cream. Never had it before. But that's pretty good. Take one more bite. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a 7-9.
What's up, guys? I got Summer Love, strawberry, banana, whipped cream, and caramel. There we go. That's phenomenal.
Will today be the day?
7.5.
Oh! Special guest.
Now, I've never had rolled ice cream before, but it's a pretty good first impression. If I had to say, I'd give it a 7.8. Really pretty good right there.
Alright, everybody, so thank you for watching. That's Legend Tasty House. I give overall probably like a 7-8. Pretty good, pretty good. I would go back here again. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell.
And follow us on our brand new Instagram page at Parlor Reviews.
Right here.
Right there. We follow back. We'd love to hear your feedback. That's it. Until next time.